Are you tired of finding fuzzy strawberries and slimy spinach in your fridge? Does it feel like you're just throwing money directly into the compost bin? You're not alone. The average household wastes hundreds, even thousands of dollars every single year on food that spoils. But what if I told you a simple shift in how you organize your fridge could make your groceries last twice as long and practically stop food waste in its tracks? Today, I'm showing you the exact system I use to keep my food fresh, save a ton of money, and finally feel in control of my kitchen. Section 1. The messy before and the fresh start. We've all been there. You open the fridge, and it's total chaos. You can't find the yogurt you just bought, and that bag of greens in the back has turned into a legitimate science experiment. This isn't just annoying, it's expensive. When you can't see what you have, you don't use it, and that's how perfectly good food ends up in the trash. So, the first step is the most satisfying one. Take everything out. And yes, I mean everything. Get it all out on your counters. This gives you a clean slate and a moment of truth to see what's been hiding in the back. Now, give your empty fridge a good scrub. A clean fridge helps keep bacteria and funky odors from building up. Section 2. Fridge zones and a little food science. Okay, now for the strategy. Your refrigerator isn't just one big cold box. It's designed with different temperature zones, and using them the right way is the secret to making food last. To slow down bacterial growth, you want to keep the overall temperature at or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 4 to 5 degrees Celsius. Let's break down the zones. The door is the warmest part of the fridge since it gets hit with room temperature air every time you open it. This makes it the perfect spot for things with natural preservatives, like condiments, jams, and sauces. Try to avoid putting milk or eggs here since they need colder, more stable temps. Section 3. The do not refrigerate list, just as important as knowing what goes in. The fridge is knowing what needs to stay out. Storing certain foods in the cold can absolutely wreck their flavor and texture. Tomatoes, for example, should live on the counter. The cold makes them mealy and bland. Potatoes also hate the fridge. The cold temperature breaks down their starches, making them gritty and weirdly sweet. Keep them in a cool, dark pantry. The same goes for onions, garlic, and winter squash. And please, whatever you do, keep your bread out of the refrigerator. It actually makes it go stale much faster. A bread box or a paper bag is your best bet. Honey will crystallize in the cold, and coffee can absorb all the other odors in your fridge, so keep them in the pantry too. Avocados and bananas should ripen on the counter. You should only move them to the fridge when they're perfectly ripe to slow down the process. Section 4. Restocking with a system. It's time to put everything back, but this time with a plan. This is where the magic really happens. As you restock, group similar items together and put them in their proper zone. But here's the real game changer. Use clear, stackable containers. When you can see exactly what you have, you're so much more likely to use it. Label everything, especially leftovers, with the date you made it. This completely removes the "how old is this?" guesswork. A pro tip used in restaurants is the first in, first out method, or FIFO. It's simple. When you buy new groceries, slide the older items to the front and put the new stuff in the back. This ensures you're always grabbing and using up food before it even has a chance to expire. And there you have it, a beautifully organized fridge where everything has its place. This isn't just about making it look pretty. It's a functional system designed to save you money and slash your food waste. By understanding your fridge's zones and what goes where, you can make your food last so much longer and feel great knowing your hard-earned money isn't ending up in the trash. What's your biggest fridge frustration? Let me know in the comments below and share any of your own food-saving hacks. Thanks for watching.